morning, you guys. So today I'm trying to win my first eBay bid on a Yoshimura exhaust for my Ninja 400. This thing looks super clean, you guys. Let's take a look. This thing is like brand new. Anyway, so right now I'm the highest bidder and there is 33 minutes left. So I will check back in with you guys when there's like about 2 minutes left to bid. All right, see you guys soon. All right, guys, so there's 1 minute left and I'm still currently the highest bidder. So let's see. The slip-on for 185 wouldn't be a bad deal. Plus, I really plan on getting a Sparket exhaust system and a tune for the bike in the future, so don't really want to spend the full price on the slip-on. Just the bike is really quiet, so you definitely need something. All right, let's refresh. Let's see. I'm still the highest bidder. 14 seconds. Let's increase my max bid just in case. Zero seconds. Oh shit. I won my first eBay auction. Damn, GoPro won't focus. I got the Yoshimura slip-on for $195. Super good deal. Alright guys, so there will be an install coming up next. Stay tuned. What's up guys? So my exhaust finally came. Came in a Kawasaki box. Let's crack this bad baby open. Oh, there she goes. Alright, so here's the mid pipe. Came with the spring. Here goes the exhaust. Nice. Does not look too bad. Tiny scratch right here. Tiny little scratch right there. This needs a cleaning, honestly. Carbon looks nice. Carbon looks hella good. Alright, so let's slap this baby on. Alright, so to put this, it's super easy. Just take off this bolt here. Take off the heat shield. And there's a little hose clamp under there. And then this whole muffler should come off. Alright guys, so everything I even needed to take off the exhaust was I used a 5mm Allen socket, 4mm Allen socket, 10mm socket, 12mm socket, and just a Phillips screwdriver. That's all the tools you need to take this off. And it only took like 15 minutes. Looking fresh. So you got the 2 grips, and you got, I guess, some grip catalog, Progrips sticker. These feel really grippy, feel nice. Alright, so when you install these, the one with the bigger hole is going to be for your throttle. That is this one. This one got the bigger hole. Alright, so to take the grips off, you have to loosen the bar ends. There's a red Loctite on there, so you have to do it super tight. It's going to be really hard to get them off there, but you'll get them off. Just make sure you use a really good Allen, like a long Allen, not anything really small. You're just going to strip the bolt out. And then the grips, I'm just going to slice them off because I don't have an air compressor, but you would just put an air compressor in there and then just blow these up and pull them off. So that's how I'm going to get them off. When I get them on, I'm just going to use some of this grip glue here. Make sure they're nice and secure after I put them. Put some grip glue. Don't put too much. Just kind of rub it up in there a little bit and then slide them on. Alright, let's get to it. Here's the before. So yeah, there's a lot of Loctite in this, like a lot. Alright guys, so that was super easy to install. They look nice too. Again, these are the Evo 725s. I got the black and green ones for Pro Grip. Yeah, they feel nice. Can't wait to test them out. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in the morning. We'll take the bike out.